What's up, YouTube? Your boy Crypto Tone coming at you with another video. This one we're gonna do on Dogecoin real quick, guys. There was some big news yesterday. Everybody that's got a Robinhood account received an email probably minutes after they had listed Dogecoin, and as soon after they did that, I went boom. I said, "F it, I'm gonna throw in some money on Doge," and it was a good move, guys, because if you look at the Doge chart, if you look at the daily, I mean, yesterday this is where we started basically in this 3-7 area, pretty much in just bouncing off oversold on the daily, and now we are pretty much pretty much almost overbought. I mean, you're probably looking at about, if Bitcoin stays bullish, we should see overbought territories, and then we can, if you haven't sold already, then you can potentially take some profits and then look for a re-entry. But if you ask me, guys, the chart looks really good. We've had this descending wedge forming right here. The chart looks really good. I mean, everything pretty much, in my opinion, is looking really good right now. In the crypto space. So we may get a bounce here if Bitcoin is to, pull through with this inverse head and shoulders. As you guys know, we hit off the 6,800 level and then we just bounced right back down to make the right shoulder. We had people calling for head and shoulders around this area, and they've pretty much been right thus far. Does it continue? We shall see. We're pretty much holding these levels pretty strong today. I wouldn't, I don't have a ton of money on Doge. I do plan to enter if we do surpass this 6,900 level that I have here. I'd say the hardest, ceiling here would be at around 68, 65. And if we could break through that, then we should be looking pretty decent. So it's funny because I was actually able to buy some Doge on the ABRA app. Now, for those of you guys who don't know about the ABRA app is pretty much, they have about 25 cryptos on it. There are fees that they charge. However, it's not crazy fees, and it's easy to access, guys. So you got 25 coins that you could buy with USD. You don't have to buy Bitcoin in order to trade the Bitcoin pair. You could just trade the USD pair. So the good thing about that is it's easily accessible. Now, currently, let me start that over. Currently, currently ABRA does not allow you to move your cryptos from one wallet to another. However, if you want to sell it, you could sell it into BTC or Ethereum, and you could send BTC and Ethereum out. So that's the better thing about ABRA as opposed to Robinhood. Robinhood, you can buy and hodl, and that's what a lot of, they're targeting millennials and whatnot, and the millennials that want to get into investing are hodling crypto on Robinhood because you can't send it out to another wallet. So you got two choices: either you hold or you sell. Which one you want to do? I don't think a lot of people are gonna, a lot of millennials are gonna be getting into investing and then selling right away. Some of them may, some of them might not. Most of them are probably hodl, and there's really no fees. So it's it's truly a great platform. Robinhood. Robinhood also added Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash the other day, so there are now 5 options on there. Currently, we only have 4 options on Coinbase, but of course, Coinbase, with those 4 current options, we could send those out because we have wallet addresses for each individual coin. They are adding Ethereum Classic, as a lot of you know, and they're also going to be adding Basic Attention Token, Cardano, 0x, Zcash, and Stellar Lumen. So we got that to look forward to, guys, because I'm basically using every outlet that you could potentially buy crypto with. Now, if Robinhood lists another one, you should expect a surge, guys. Right now, with the market being where it is and everybody hoping for this inverse head and shoulders working out, you're gonna get good news coming out, guys. I mean, yesterday we had the news of BlackRock saying that they're into crypto, and the market jumped. 2 or 3 weeks ago, was it 2 weeks ago? we had Coinbase come out and say, Coinbase custody, we're making it easy for banks to get in. We were at the bottom, guys. They came out with that news while we're at the bottom. They do that on purpose because they know it's coming. So you got a couple days before, you got a lot of people accumulating. You could see that on the Bitcoin chart. If you notice this area, this is all basically accumulation here. Where these whales are just buying, they dumped it, they buy it, they get rid of some people, and they knew the news was coming, so then boom, go ahead and hodl away until it, I don't know, whenever the hell they want to sell. They could have sold here, rebought here, who the hell knows. As you guys know, my main thing, I trade very little, but I like to pretty much buy and hold for the most part, unless I got something that goes up 100x, and then I'm selling it. All right, let's get into the news real quick for Doge. So, Robinhood lists Dogecoin. Price surged by 20%. Dogecoin has roared to life in the wake of news that the digital asset has successfully listed on Robinhood's crypto platform. Very Robinhood, much list, soon moon. Oh, such moon. That is at least the sentiment behind Dogecoin holders today, as Robinhood, the US-based cryptocurrency platform, has now confirmed that it has listed the asset for trading. Available in 17 U.S. states, Robinhood cryptocurrency platform first drew acclaim for its decision to launch zero-free Bitcoin and Ethereum trading earlier this year. The platform now further offers customers access to Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash, expanding the number of listed cryptocurrency assets to 5. Robinhood has drawn acclaim not just for its focus on offering zero-fee trading, but its roster of celebrity investors as well. Earlier this year, the platform benefited from the news that Jay-Z, through his firm Arrive Venture Capital, announced a new investment in the service that echoes the previous backing of artists such as Snoop Dogg and Nas. I didn't even know that. That is great news, guys. The more public figures that we have that can kind of relate to younger people that are in the crypto space, it's only going to get bigger. And I know we saw Katy Perry with the fingernails painted with the coins on them and whatnot, but we're gonna get more of that, guys. And all it's really gonna take is one. I mean, look at Kylie Jenner, guys. She's a freaking billionaire off of fucking makeup. I mean, come on. She says, look, you could save a discount on using Bitcoin or whatever. That's when it's gonna come. Now, a lot of people want to make money here, and I really firmly believe that a lot of these celebrities and whatnot are going to start pitching stuff like Litecoin, stuff like Ripple, and things of that nature. We already saw Snoop Dogg has something to do with Ripple, but you're going to have more popular celebrities that are kind of influencing younger people to get into crypto. They're going to do that in the means of where, kind of one hand washes the other. Charlie Lee, the owner of Litecoin, somebody like that is a figure in the space. There is no Bitcoin figure, okay? So that's why you got to understand, guys, that, they're going to accept Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's always going to be the granddaddy of it all. But if people want to do business together, they're going to be doing business with other coins that have CEOs where it could be a one-hand wash the other type thing. I can make some money, you can make some money. Makes complete sense, guys. That's how business works. So Dogecoin itself has attracted investment despite its quirky and unorthodox nature. The cryptocurrency began itself as a parody of a Japanese Shiba Inu named Kabusu, I don't know, and has since staked a total market cap of $334 million. Imagine a joke turning into $334 million USD. At its peak in January 2018, the cryptocurrency bore a total market cap of $2 billion USD and traded for just under 2 cents. Doge holders have adopted their own quirky culture. The cryptocurrency community has embraced charitable causes and have collectively funded other ventures such as Jamaica's bobsled team and even certain NASCAR drivers. That's right. In the wake of news, Dogecoin has surged 20% day on day and at press times for 0.002912 USD. So, that basically wraps up that news. I just wanted to put that out there for those of you guys, those of my subs who don't know this is going on. Do I recommend buying Doge just the second? I would probably wait for a pullback. We are a bit overbought. However, I do expect this head and shoulders to work out for Bitcoin, in my opinion, and we should see a nice price surge all across the board. However, that is yet to be determined. We still need to make our way past this head and shoulders. So, with that being said, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Holla at your boy. Peace.